Hi guys, hope you're ready for a bit of staycation today because it's been a while since we last explored our own backyard with the Bay of Plenty, and luckily we have a special request from Bay of Plenty Tourism to film some of the local waterfalls today because they're about to launch a beautiful advertising campaign in Wellington Airport, and they wanted it to be different videos about this region. So one of the videos will be devoted to waterfalls, and we're in charge of that. Currently we're at the very first point of today's journey. This is Whataroa Falls, approximately 20 to 25 minutes away from Tauranga, and this is a very popular swimming point. That's why I'm wearing our swimsuit, and we have never been here before, so I'm really excited to see this place. The trek to the waterfall is a 3-kilometer long trek, one way, and part of it goes through the Rima tree loop, which means that you meet those giant, beautiful trees along the way, and you have to follow these orange signs in order not to get lost in this native bush. No idea how locals do that. It's probably the coldest day of my life. I bet you can hear that. I can hardly talk. The water is so freaking cold. But it's amazing. It really feels like, I don't know, it's so fresh and so clean. Like I think I was born twice now, really.
So it took us approximately 3 hours to go to the waterfall, then to have a swim over there, to explore it, and then to get back to the car park. I can't say it's really challenging. It takes quite a lot of energy to get there and to get back, because sometimes you just go uphill, sometimes you go downhill, so it's quite a challenging thing, but it was definitely worth it. So we just arrived to the second waterfall for today. This is Raparapahoe Falls, which is located in Te Puke, and this is actually very exciting because there was not enough information about this waterfall on the internet, so we're kind of exploring it without actually knowing what's going on. So I'm very excited to see what this waterfall looks like. So even though this track is not extremely long, it's quite challenging to walk actually, because you have a lot of rocks and roots of the trees, and this track looks like it's a little bit abandoned. So because you have some kind of stairs over here as well, but some parts of the track are really difficult to walk, so you should be prepared and definitely wear some good footwear, because this is what you need to have for comfort. And our last stop for today is Kaiate Falls, which is obviously the most popular and well-known waterfall from all three we're visiting today. And this is one of the best known waterfalls around the Bay of Plenty, obviously. And you can tell it directly from the car park, because the car park is full and we're here on Saturday, so it's definitely one of the most popular destinations in the region. And this trek from car park to waterfall is actually the easiest to walk, because it's the shortest as well. It's just 15 minutes to walk.
Despite from what you're about to see, the water in Kaiate Falls is contaminated, so it's not recommended to swim here.
If I had to pick one of those three waterfalls, I'd probably go with this one, Kaiate Falls, because it's the easiest to walk to. There are several waterfalls in this park, so you can have like a pretty tall one or the smaller one, or even you have a stream, so you can just walk there. And it's actually quite a nice place, and the only thing you shouldn't probably be doing is actually swimming here.
3 waterfalls in a row and my legs are so sore, like the worst F45 challenge. But I hope you guys enjoyed this journey as much as we did, because we have seen so many beautiful new for us places, and it always amazes me how many hidden gems there are all over the Bay of Plenty. And I hope you guys spend weekends just like we do, exploring this beautiful region. If not, keep on watching our videos, there is a lot more to come. And please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll hope to see you soon. Bye bye!